Hi everyone, my name is Cody.
Hi, I'm David Gray.
Hello, my name is Monique Thomas.
Hi everyone, I'm Kathy.
Hey, my name is Austin.
Hi everyone, it's Catherine Cross.
Hello, my name is Richard Devlin.
My name is Maddie.
My name is Frank Harvey.
Hi, it's Marilyn.
Hey guys, I'm Blair.
On behalf of everybody here, I want to wish everyone happy holidays.
And a very restful break.
I know these past several months have been incredibly challenging for all of you, to say the least.
I really just want to thank everyone for being so adaptable and so resilient.
I wish you a restful, peaceful holiday break.
I'm proud to be a member of this community known as Dalhousie.
I'd like to wish you all a happy holiday season, and several of our faculty members and staff members would also like to send you their well wishes.
Happy holidays!
Yes. On behalf of the Dalhousie Libraries, happy holidays!
Season's greetings from
the Fountain School of Performing Arts.
Wishing you and your families
a happy and restful holiday break.
Happy holidays and best wishes from Dalhousie Dentistry and Dental Hygiene. Stay safe, everyone.
Just wishing you a very happy, warm holiday season, hopefully filled with lots of laughs and love and music.
Hi everyone, best wishes from the Management Dean Suite team.
Happy holidays.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Happy holidays! Remember that our security will be here 24/7.
We hope everyone has a very restful winter break.
Thank you for your amazing work over this past year.
Please stay safe.
Hi everyone. What a year, eh? I've been working from the frozen planet of Hoth. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you all in 2021.
Wishing you a safe and restful holiday.
And I hope you're all able to take a break from your screens.
Yay!
I'm hoping everyone has a great winter break and enjoy some good rest, well deserved.
We want to say thank you for all your partnership and hard work throughout 2020, and we look forward to seeing you in 2021.
And I'd like to say thanks to the faculty and staff who are working hard to keep students learning.
Thank you for being so amazing in 2020. See you next year in 2021.
And I'm wishing you the best of the season from all of us at Dalflex.
2020 has been a year I will not miss, but I hope 2021 greets you like these dogs are about to greet me.
Hello dogs, hello dogs, hello dogs, hello dogs!
Wishing you a very restful end of 2020.
Enjoy!
All the best for a happy and healthy holiday season from the Faculty of Graduate Studies.
Happy holidays and Happy New Year from the Rest Life team.
Happy holidays!
Wishing you and your family a happy holiday season.
See you in 2021.
Wishing you and yours a very happy holiday and all the best for the new year.
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!
Wishing you the warmest of wishes and positive thoughts for your December break.
Happy holidays from the Dalhousie team.
We hope that
you have a restful winter break
and have lots of fun and stay safe.
with love and regard
from the Dalhousie team.
Thanks so much for going above and beyond this year. It was certainly a tough one.
It's been a challenge, but we've come through it together.
I would like to take this opportunity to wish the entire Dalhousie community a happy holidays.
Thank you for your amazing work all year.
And all the best for 2021.
I want to wish everyone a happy winter break. We hope you all stay safe.
Happy solstice, Merry Christmas, season's greetings, everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Christmas.
From all of us at the CMC team, thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you!